I'm going to show you this program called ELIZA. And so ELIZA essentially was a program, uh, well, it's an early language processing computer program created from like 1964 to 1966 at MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory by a guy named Joesph Weizenbaum. And so basically, this ELIZA program was created to demonstrate the superficiality of communication between humans and machines, in which ELIZA simulated conversation by using a pattern matching and substitution methodology that gave users an illusion of understanding on the part of the program, but had no built-in framework for contextualizing events. And so ELIZA was one of the first chatterbots and one of the first programs capable of attempting the Turing test. With this, it was actually used for things like in psychology. So many academics believed that the program would be able to positively influence the lives of many people, particularly those suffering from psychological issues, and that it could aid doctors working on such patients' treatment. While ELIZA was capable of engaging in discourse, ELIZA could not converse with true understanding. However, many early users were convinced of ELIZA's intelligence and understanding, despite Weizenbaum's insistence to the contrary. And it's true. It's just using basically generative syntax. And so in linguistics, I actually had to study a bit on this, not in great detail of any sort, but these were one of the concepts that did come up briefly. And so we talked about this kind of mental computation, and so we're going to get to kind of see this in action right here. So I'm going to open up my QuestionBot, and ELIZA comes up, says, "Hi, I'm ELIZA. What's your problem?" And I'm going to go ahead and say something like, I have severe mental problems. How about that? Now, whether I do or not, don't answer that, please. Say, do you have any psychological problems? I have many problems. What does that suggest to you? I need some help. I see. I am in big trouble. Did you come to me because you're in big trouble? Yes. Are you sure? Maybe. You don't seem quite certain. I'm kidding. How long have you been kidding? For 5 minutes. I'm not sure I understand you fully. Okay. I have been joking with you for 5 minutes. Let's see. We were discussing you, not me. Okay. Come, elucidate your thoughts. Okay. Really? I have many thoughts. Can you elaborate on that? Well, I created you first, and I have many other creations in mind too. Oh, I first and me have many other creations in mind too. See, so this is where ELIZA is now breaking down. Sort of. Say, do you have any psychological problems? I just said yes. I see. Are you listening to me? Why are you interested in whether or not I'm listening to me? So it's breaking down. We're breaking the program down. It's not intelligent whatsoever. It has no idea what the heck I'm talking. It's not even thinking. It's just following basically generative rules of grammar that's programmed into it. And so basically, once the discourse kind of breaks down and I get tired of playing this little game, I tell ELIZA to shut up, and she goes away. So, anyways, that right there, in a nutshell, is ELIZA. So far, I created this little ELIZA program for a little project of this NC3 train the trainer, whatever. I'm going a little bit beyond, but hey, I feel like if you're going to do something, go big or go bust, right? So that's how I like to do things. So it's fun.